Here I've got Motorola Moto G41, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first, reach Settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select About Phone. And again, scroll down and choose build number, just tap on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you're a developer. So now we can go back and then go to System, Enroll Advanced, and here you will notice developer options. You can smoothly use them as only you want to, and then if you'd like to switch them off, just use this first top switcher. As you can see, they are no longer accessible. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.